All right, guys, it's November 8th, 2022. We're going to do a startup and drive-by video of this 1999 Chevy pickup truck. Extended cab, lowered pickup truck. I just wanted to show you a couple little places I forgot to show in the last picture. It's pretty hard to see. There's a dent and a couple scrapes right here. It's very light, but it's there. I don't know if I can get it to show up. There's a small dent in this door here. I can't get that to show, but there's a small dent over there. And then I think there's just a couple little spots here and there. Nothing major, no big door dings or nothing like that. But that was what I wanted to show you. All right, we're going to do a startup and a drive-by.